I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is weForms. Select a form. Click Next. Now search and select Google Contacts. To get client ID and secret, please visit Google API Console. Create new project. Give a meaningful project name. Click on Create. Now search for Google Contacts API. Click on Enable. Again, search for Google People API. Click on Enable. Go to Credentials. Click on Configure Consent screen. Choose External. Click Create. Give a meaningful app name. Give a user support email. Give developer contact information email. Save and continue. Back to Dashboard. Again, click on Credentials. Create credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID. Application type Web application. Give a meaningful name. To get authorized JavaScript origins, go to Bit Integration Dashboard and copy homepage URL and paste it here. To get authorized redirect URI, go to Bit Integration Dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI and paste it here. Click on Create. Now copy client ID and paste it here. Copy client secret and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click on Next. Select Action, Create Contacts. Map your respective fields. You can also upload your photo by checking this box. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the specified condition is met, it will create a contact in Google Contacts. Click on Next. Click Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Let's check our Google contacts. Reload your browser. As you can see, a contact has been created successfully to Google Contacts. Thanks for watching.